Today we will do the semicircles, the formulas based on semicircle. So semicircle is what? It is the half of the circle. So if we just make its half, so this is the semicircle. This is the center of the circle. So suppose O is the center of the circle. OR is O, it's the radius of the circle. Now what is the area of semicircle? This is equals to 1 by 2 of pi r square. We know that area of circle is pi r square. So area of semicircle is half of pi r square. Now what is the perimeter of semicircle? This is equals to pi r plus 2r. Now how this pi r plus 2r is coming? The perimeter of semicircle. Perimeter means the length of the boundary. So if I'm starting from the point A, then we have to come back to the point A. So we know that if a circle is drawn, suppose this is a circle, so its circumference from the point P to the point P again, the total length of it is 2 pi r. So now whenever we will be making a semicircle, half of it will be 2 pi r by 2. So this 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So it is pi r. So in the semicircle, this length of this arc will be pi r. Half of 2 pi r. And the radius is r. So the diameter is 2r. So if we have to find out the perimeter of semicircle, then we have to start from this point. This is pi r plus r plus r. So it will become pi r plus 2r. This is the perimeter of semicircle. Now suppose this is a circle. Now if this circle is divided in 4 parts, means the 2 diameters are drawn. So we can see that these 2 diameters are intersecting each other. This is the center O and each angle is 90 degree here. This is 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. And this is also 90 degree. So each part, that means this one part, 1/4 part of the circle is known as the quadrant. So if I draw a quadrant separately, it is the 1/4 of the circle. This is the radius. This part is the radius. This is also radius. So this is the quadrant. So what is the area of quadrant? Since it is the 1/4 of a circle, so its area is 1/4 of pi r square. Now what is the perimeter of quadrant? It will be equals to, this r is here. If I start from this point A, so A to O, then O to B, then the arc length BA. So total perimeter, total circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So since it is the 1/4 of 2 pi r, so this is 1/4 part of the circumference of the total circle. So its length will be 1/4 of 2 pi r. Since the total circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, and since quadrant is just the 1/4 of it, so it is the length of this arc AB is 1/4 of 2 pi r. So it's 2 2s are 4. So it is equals to pi r by 2. So perimeter of quadrant, if I find, it is r plus pi r by 2. So it can be written as 2r plus pi r by 2. This is the perimeter of the quadrant. Now we'll be doing the sums based on semicircle and quadrant from the exercise 16.3. The question number 3 is saying find the perimeter of a semicircular plate whose radius is 3.85 centimeter. So a semicircle is drawn here and its radius is given here 3.85 centimeter. We have to find its perimeter. So perimeter of semicircle equals to, we know it's pi r because this length is pi r plus 2r. So we can do one step forward. R if we take common, so it will be pi plus 2. Now we have to substitute the values. So it's 3.85 plus, no, it's into pi's value is 22 by 7 plus 2. So it's 3.85 into, take the LCM, it's 7 and this is 22 plus 14. This implies 3.85 into 4 plus 2 6, it's 36 by 7. Now if it is multiplied or if the decimal is removed, so here it will be 100. Now 7 5s are 35 and 3 7 5s are 35. So 55 and or let's cancel it. 5 20s are 100 and 5 11s are 55. Now by 4 also it can be cancelled. So 4 5s are 20 and 4 9s are 36. So it is 99 by 5. So if this is divided, so we will get 19.8 centimeter. So perimeter of the semicircular region is 19.8 centimeter is the answer. Now the question number 5 is saying a sheet is 11 centimeter long and 2 centimeter wide. So if I take a sheet which is 11 centimeter long and 2 centimeter wide, circular pieces 0.5 centimeter in diameter are cut from it to prepare discs. That means the circular discs are cut whose diameter is 0.5 meter. In this way the discs are cut. So each of its diameter is 0.5 centimeter. So how many discs that can be prepared? So we have to find out the number of discs like this. Number of discs will be equals to 11 centimeter into 2 centimeter divided by, since the diameter of each is 0.5, so along the length how many we can cut? We can find it if we divide it by 0.5, and along the breadth also we have to cut from 0.5 centimeter disc, so 0.5. Now this centimeter is cancelled. So if it is removed, so it is 110, and if it is removed, here it is 10. So 5 2s are 10, and here 5 2s are 10, and 5 2s are 10. So we are getting 22 into 2 into 2. So it's 22 into 4, that is 88 discs can be prepared. This is the answer. The question number 6 is, if the area of semicircular region is 77 centimeters square. So area of the semicircular region, we know that it's half of pi r square. So this is equals to given 77 centimeters square. You have to find its perimeter. So we have to simplify this. 1 by 2, pi means 22 by 7 into r square is equals to 77. Now 11 2s are 22 and 11 7s are 77. Now this 2 is also cancelled. So what we are getting, r square is equals to 7 into 7. So this implies r will be equals to root under 7 into 7. So this is equals to 7 centimeter. So radius is coming 7 centimeter. So now perimeter, we know it's pi r plus 2r. So if we do not take common like we had done in question number 3, then also it will do. So pi means 22 by 7 into r means 7 plus 2 into 7. This 7 and 7 is cancelled. So it's 22 plus 2 7s are 14. So it's 2 plus 4 6, and it's 36 centimeter is the answer. Now the question number 7a is, in the figure given below, AC and BD are two perpendicular diameters of a circle ABCD. So you can see this is AC and BD are the two perpendicular diameters of a circle ABCD. Given that the area of shaded portion is 308 centimeter square. This shaded portion's area is 308 centimeter square. So calculate the length of AC, that means the diameter, and the circumference of the circle. So here if you see, the circle is divided in 4 parts. So each, and this is also making 90 degree. That means these are the each quadrant. So area of shaded region, it's given. Area of shaded region, it's given 308 centimeter square. This implies, here we can write area of two quadrants, because here two quadrants are only shaded. So area of two quadrants equals to 308. So this implies 2 into area of one quadrant, we know it's 1 by 4 pi r square. So two quadrants, so it's 2 into 1 by 4 pi r square is equals to 308. So now this 2 2s are 4. This implies 1 by 2, pi means 22 by 7 into r square equals to 308. Now this is 11 2s are 22, and this is 11 2s are 22, 8, 28. Now this 2 is also cancelled. So r square will be equals to 28 into 7. So we can also write r square equals to 4 7s are 28 into 7. So r will be equals to root under 4 into 7 into 7. So root under 4's value is 2, and 7 into 7 means it's 1 7. So radius we got 14 centimeter. So radius we got. So the first part is the length of AC. So AC means here 2r. The diameter is asked. So 2 into 4, 2 into 14. The radius came 14. So 2 into 14, that is 28 centimeter. And also the circumference of the circle is asked. So circumference is equals to 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 by 7, and radius we got 14. So 7 2s are 14. So it will be 2 into 2 4 and 4 into 22, that is 88 centimeter is the circumference of the circle. Here the question number 7b is saying, in the figure 2 given below, AC and BD are two perpendicular diameters of a circle with center O. So this is the AC is the diameter and BD is also diameter with center O. If AC equals to 16 centimeter. So since AC is equals to 16 centimeter, that means the diameter is 16 centimeter. Calculate the area and perimeter of the shaded region. So we have to find out the area and perimeter of shaded region here and take pi equals to 3.14. Here pi's value is mentioned 3.14, that only we have to take. Now here AC is given 16 centimeter. So this implies radius will be equals to 16 by 2. So this implies radius is 8 centimeter. So here, since this is the diameter and so this is a quadrant, each part is a quadrant here. So area of a quadrant, it's 1/4 of pi r square. So 1 by 4, pi's value is 3.14 and radius is 8 into 8. So 4 2s are 8. So it's 16 into 3.14. So if we find out 16 into 3.14, we'll get the answer as 50.24 centimeter square. But the shaded region means here the two quadrants are there in the shaded region. So area of shaded region equals to 2 into area of one quadrant. So this is 2 into 50.24. So the answer will be 100.48 centimeter square. So in this way we can find out the area of the shaded part. Now the next is we have to find out the perimeter. So perimeter means the length of the boundary. So we'll start from one of the point and then we will come back to that position. So if I start from A, so I'll come to from suppose A to O at first. So this is the radius. Then O to A, this is also the radius. Then B to C, this is 1/4 of the total circumference of a circle. So this is pi r by 2. Then C to O again r. Then O to D again r. And D to A, it's again pi r by 2. So we can write perimeter of shaded region equals to r A to O plus r means O to B, then B to C it's pi r by 2, then C to O it's r, then O to D it's again r, and D to A it's again pi r by 2. So this is 1 2 3 4 r and 2 times pi r by 2. So this 2 is also cancelled. So 4r plus pi r. So radius we have, it's 8 centimeters. So 4 into 8 plus Pi's value is 3.14 into 8. So this is 4 8s are 32 plus 3.14 into 8. If we do, we'll get it as 25.12. Now we have to add it with 32. So we'll get 57.12 centimeter. This is the perimeter of the shaded region.